Today we are going to look at another shocking story that will leave you thinking about how love, loneliness, and human weaknesses can destroy someone's life. This is the story of a beautiful woman named Hailey and a young man named Jake who worked at an auto repair shop. The story begins in a small town called Millbrook. Here lived a woman named Hailey, around 32 years old and married. But her husband Kyle had gone out of state to earn money. Hailey lived with her in-laws, but in reality she was all alone. Kyle loved her deeply. He never let her lack for anything. Money came on time. The house was nice, but Hailey's life had two shortcomings. First, she had been married for 4 to 5 years but couldn't become a mother. Second, a lack of love and physical intimacy. Kyle would come only once a year, and even then for just a few days, leaving Hailey's desires unfulfilled. Now, around this time, the summer season arrived. The heat was intense. One day, suddenly Hailey's air conditioner broke down. Living without AC in such heat was difficult. Hailey had no one around and didn't have the strength to fix it herself. Then she remembered there was a garage near her house, where a young man named Jake worked. Hailey often called him for small tasks around the house. She thought, why not call Jake to fix the AC? Hailey called Jake. During the conversation, Jake said he didn't have time during the day, but he could come in the evening. However, if it got late, he might have to stay the night. Hailey said, no problem, just come. Come in the evening and stay the night if needed. Jake agreed. But in reality, Jake had something else on his mind. He had already been eyeing Hailey for a while. Her beauty troubled him. And now that Hailey herself had called him, he couldn't wait until evening without seizing the opportunity. The next morning around 10 a.m., Jake reached Hailey's house without informing her. The gate was slightly open. He went inside and called out, "Ma'am, ma'am." But there was no answer. Then he heard water running from the bathroom. Hailey was bathing, and the bathroom door was open because she lived alone and wasn't used to locking it. Jake moved toward the bathroom, and as soon as he peeked in, Hailey was completely undressed, bathing. Seeing that sight, Jake's feet slipped from under him. Both his heart and mind stopped working. He just kept staring. He stood there for a while. Then he called out loudly. Hailey was startled. She quickly put on clothes and came out. She asked, "You were supposed to come in the evening. How come you came in the morning?" Jake didn't give any specific answer. He was now fully staring at Hailey. Hailey made him sit inside, offered him water, asked if he wanted to eat. But Jake wasn't hungry. He kept remembering the scene of her bathing. That image wouldn't leave his mind. After a while, Jake went to the kitchen, where Hailey was cooking, and grabbed her tightly from behind. Hailey panicked. She said, "Jake, what are you doing? We only have a friendship. You are younger than me." But Jake didn't listen. He said, "I've seen you in that state. I can't control myself anymore." Hailey tried to reason with him a lot. Only then did Jake let her go. But he didn't leave the house that day. He made an excuse that the AC was badly damaged and needed to be taken to the shop. Hailey also went to the store and bought household items. Meanwhile, Jake bought some medicines from a pharmacy. He had already gotten full information about those medicines from the doctor. Hailey had no idea what Jake was planning with her. Hailey said it was now very late and told him to stay the night. Jake was just waiting for this opportunity. He stayed. At night, when everyone was asleep, Jake took that medicine. Then he entered Hailey's room. When Hailey felt him grabbing her, she woke up. She resisted, tried to free herself, and said this would bring shame. But Jake didn't listen. He said, Ever since I saw you bathing, I've gone crazy. Whatever I have to do today, I will do." As the medicine took effect, Jake forced himself on Hailey and treated her wrongly, leaving Hailey distressed. But after the assault, a strange change came over Hailey. She started liking that touch. She was lonely. Her desires were unfulfilled. Kyle had never given her that kind of love. Jake gave her a feeling she had never experienced before. Now what happened was that Hailey stopped resisting. Jake stayed with her the whole night, not once but 2 or 3 times. At 4:30 a.m., she told Jake to leave, fearing someone might see and cause a scandal. Jake left, but this wasn't just a one-night affair. Hailey herself started calling Jake. She couldn't stay without him. Day and night conversations, whenever they got a chance, Jake would come and they would spend nights together. Hailey felt that Kyle was far away and she had her own needs too. No one was asking. She continued doing all this. Her beauty began to glow even more. She was happy. At last, she had found what Kyle could never give her: time, love, and physical satisfaction. Meanwhile, Kyle, staying out of state, started feeling something was off. Earlier, Hailey used to be very enthusiastic when talking to him. Now the conversations had decreased. There was a coldness. Kyle couldn't rest. He took leave from his office and came home unannounced. Even at home, he found the same coldness. Hailey wasn't behaving with him the way she used to. When Kyle asked her to go out somewhere, she refused. At night, when Kyle tried to be intimate with love, Hailey distanced herself. When Kyle became certain something was wrong, he lied to Hailey, saying he was going to a relative's place and would be back by evening. But in reality, he didn't go anywhere. He hid near the house. Half an hour after Kyle left, Hailey called Jake and said, "Come quickly. I can't live without you." Jake immediately closed his garage and reached Hailey's house. Both went inside. They went to the bedroom and got busy with each other. And at that moment, Kyle entered the house. He saw his wife in a compromising position with Jake. Kyle's mind went blank. He forgot she was his wife. He forgot he had ever loved her. He picked up an axe lying there and struck Jake. With just one blow, Jake collapsed and died. When Hailey saw him being killed, she screamed and lunged at Kyle, and Kyle killed her too. With the same axe, 2 bodies lay on the floor: Hailey and Jake. The Hailey who sought love in loneliness was killed by her own husband. After this, Kyle went to the police station and surrendered. He confessed to everything. Will he be punished? How much punishment? That will be decided by the court. Friends, what is most tragic in this whole incident is that no one was completely innocent. Hailey was lonely, but she didn't choose the right path. Jake was young, but he crossed all limits. Kyle was betrayed by his wife, but was murder the right choice? The purpose of sharing this incident isn't to make anyone sad, but to make you alert and aware. Our aim is for you to learn something from this and stay cautious. What are your thoughts on this entire incident? Please let us know in the comments, and if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.